Long before modern relationship psychology existed, Scripture described the qualities that build a strong home and strengthen a marriage. In this video, we are going to walk through 9 powerful principles that reveal what many husbands deeply value and how a wife can become the kind of woman whose presence enriches her husband's life. As we move through these principles, I encourage you to stay until the end, because the final principle might be the key you've been looking for. Let's begin. Number 1, create a peaceful and loving home. One of the greatest gifts a wife can offer her husband is peace. Many men spend their days navigating pressure, work responsibilities, financial concerns, leadership decisions, expectations from society, and the constant need to solve problems. All of this can weigh heavily on a man's mind. When he comes home, what he experiences there shapes his emotional well-being more than many people realize. Proverbs 21 verse 9 says, "It is better to live on the corner of the roof than share a house with a quarrelsome wife." That verse highlights a universal truth. The emotional climate inside a home matters more than the physical beauty of the house. A peaceful home does not mean there are no disagreements. Every healthy marriage will have moments where two people see things differently. Peace comes from the way those moments are handled. A wise wife understands the power of her words. She chooses when to speak, and how to respond when emotions rise. Instead of reacting immediately in anger, she pauses, listens, and speaks with wisdom. Proverbs 15 verse 1 teaches, "A gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs anger." Now imagine the difference between two homes. In one home, every disagreement turns into raised voices, criticism, and emotional tension. In the other home, disagreements are addressed calmly, respectfully, and with the goal of finding solutions. Which home would feel like a refuge? A peaceful wife does not ignore problems, but she refuses to let conflict dominate the atmosphere. She understands that constant criticism slowly drains the joy from a marriage. Peace creates emotional safety, and emotional safety makes a husband eager to come home. Number 2, be his supporter and partner in life. Marriage is not meant to be a competition between two individuals. It is meant to be a partnership where both people strengthen each other. Ecclesiastes 4 verses 9 through 10 gives a beautiful picture of this partnership. It says, "Two are better than one, because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up." That verse highlights a beautiful picture of this partnership. Supporting your husband means standing beside him during success and difficult times. It means praying for him consistently. When a wife brings her husband before God, asking for wisdom, protection, and strength, she is doing something powerful for her marriage. Supporting your husband also means offering thoughtful advice. A wife who can share wisdom without attacking her husband's character becomes an invaluable partner. It also means helping with planning for the family's future, discussing finances, goals, education for children, and long-term dreams. When a wife supports her husband, she is telling him, "We are in this together." When a husband feels that his wife is on his team rather than constantly opposing him, it strengthens his confidence and his commitment to the marriage. But support becomes even more powerful when it is combined with the next principle.
Number 3, care for him and encourage him. Many people underestimate the power of encouragement, yet it can shape a person's confidence, resilience, and sense of purpose. Many men carry internal pressure that they rarely express. Society often teaches men to remain strong, solve problems, and avoid showing vulnerability. As a result, Some men quietly carry stress, doubt, or exhaustion. A caring wife pays attention to these moments. She notices when her husband is discouraged. She sees when he is tired or overwhelmed. Instead of criticizing him during those moments, she strengthens him. Proverbs 16:24 says, "Kind words are like honey, sweet to the taste and good for your health." Genuinely tell your husband, "I appreciate how hard you work for this family. I'm proud of how you handled that challenge," or even, "I believe in you." These may seem small, but they can echo in a man's mind long after they're spoken. Studies in relationship psychology have shown that couples who regularly express appreciation toward each other experience significantly stronger emotional bonds. A wife who consistently encourages her husband often becomes one of the most powerful influences in his life. And that leads us to the fourth principle. If you're gaining value from this video, take a moment to like it. It helps this message reach more people who need it. And if you want more content like this, hit the subscribe button and stay connected. Your support makes a real difference. Number 4, respect your husband and honor him publicly. Respect is one of the deepest emotional needs many men experience, and it strengthens a man's sense of purpose. Ephesians 5:33 says, "Every husband must love his wife as himself, and every wife must respect her husband." Respect does not mean silence or blind agreement. It means acknowledging his efforts, valuing his perspective, and communicating in ways that build rather than tear down. One powerful form of respect is public honor. When a wife speaks positively about her husband in front of friends or family, she strengthens his dignity. On the other hand, constant criticism in public settings can quietly damage a man's confidence. A husband who knows his wife respects him feels motivated to become an even better leader, provider, and partner. The next principle is something simple but surprisingly powerful. Number 5, show kindness through thoughtful gestures. Many men spend much of their lives giving. They give their time, energy, and resources to provide for their families. Because of this, they often receive fewer gestures of care than they give. Thoughtful gestures can transform that dynamic. A message during the day saying, "I'm thinking about you," a small surprise gift, or a note placed somewhere he will find it. A meal prepared with extra thought because you know it is his favorite. These small moments communicate something deeply meaningful. You matter to me. Colossians 3:12 says, "Since God chose you to be the holy people he loves, you must clothe yourselves with tender-hearted mercy, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience." Kindness nourishes love. Over time, these gestures build a reservoir of affection that strengthens the marriage. Now here is something many couples forget. Marriage should also include joy, which brings us to the next principle.
Number 6, bring joy and playfulness into the relationship. Life is serious enough on its own. Bills, responsibilities, parenting, and work can easily turn marriage into a routine of obligations. But God designed marriage to include joy. Ecclesiastes 9:9 says, "Enjoy life with your wife, whom you love, all the days of this meaningless life that God has given you under the sun." Joyful couples laugh together. They share stories. They tease each other in playful ways. They find reasons to smile even during ordinary moments. When a wife brings joy into the home, her presence becomes associated with happiness, and people naturally miss those who make life brighter. Number 7, prepare good food for your husband. Proverbs 31:15 says, "She gets up while it is still night. She provides food for her family." This shows a virtuous wife who is intentional about feeding her household. It highlights care, diligence, and love expressed through preparing food. Cooking good food for your husband is more than a routine duty. It is a quiet but powerful way of showing care. It is not just about filling his stomach, but about intentionally nourishing him after a long day.
When a wife pays attention to what her husband likes, prepares it with effort, and serves it with a willing heart, it communicates love without needing many words. In those moments, he feels considered, valued, and remembered. It becomes something he looks forward to, not just the food itself, but the thoughtfulness behind it. And when she's not around, that's what he begins to miss. Not just the meals, but the consistency, the attention, and the feeling that someone took time to prepare something just for him. It's the difference between eating to survive and eating with a sense of belonging. Good food made with care creates a memory that lingers. It turns an ordinary moment into something personal, and over time it becomes one of the quiet ways a wife holds a place in her husband's heart. Number 8. Maintain healthy intimacy in the marriage. Physical intimacy is not merely physical, it is emotional and relational. When intimacy is healthy, affectionate, and mutual, it strengthens the bond between husband and wife. 1 Corinthians 7:3-4 says, "The husband should fulfill his marital duty to his wife, and likewise the wife to her husband. The wife does not have authority over her own body, but yields it to her husband. In the same way, the husband does not have authority over his own body, but yields it to his wife." This passage emphasizes mutual care and responsibility. Healthy intimacy deepens the connection between husband and wife. Finally, we arrive at the principle that supports everything else. Number 9. Build the marriage on loyalty and trust. Without trust, every other effort in marriage eventually weakens. Proverbs 31:11 describes the impact of a trustworthy wife. Her husband can trust her, and she will greatly enrich his life. Trust means faithfulness in actions, words, and intentions. It means protecting the marriage, honoring commitments, and standing beside each other even during difficult seasons. A husband who knows his wife is loyal develops deep emotional security, and that security strengthens the entire relationship. When a wife brings peace, support, care, encouragement, respect, kindness, joy, intimacy, and loyalty into her marriage, she becomes someone whose presence enriches her husband's life. And whenever she's not around, she's naturally missed. Now, I would love to hear your thoughts. Which of these 9 principles do you think many couples overlook? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your insight might encourage someone who is trying to strengthen their marriage. If this message has blessed you, take a moment to like the video. That simple action helps this content reach more people. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. God bless you.